Morning. Today we are going to revise the past paper exam question, and the first question of under our discussion is factorization. We are going to discuss about factorization. We are going to solve it and find out the answer. So when you are factorizing, the first thing we should do is factor out what is common. As for now, let's try to group the like terms together. So as you can see from our question, these 3tx minus 2sx, these they have something which is in common. Then even these 15ty minus 10sy, they have something in common. Let's try to group them in twos. Let's try to do this. 3tx minus 2sx, you cross, then you also put this in brackets. So you say 15, because this is a positive, so even if we don't indicate it here, it still be the same. So 15ty minus 10sy cross. So when you put them into twos, then you start now factor out what is common, right? So as for now, what is common this side? Find that x is what is common. So we say x open, since the only letter or the number that is common, so we say open. So what is remaining? 3t minus 2s. Then this side, what is common? Negative. Negative what? Negative 5. No, it's positive. Positive 5. Positive 5 and y. Positive 5 and y. What is remaining? We write them in the what? In the bracket. So what is remaining? 5 into 15 is what? 3. Y into y, we cancel out. It remain what? 1. Hence we write t minus 5 into 10, we remain with 5. 5s. 5s. Though my s looks like 5, but anyway. Then you group these x and 5y, and you get n of these. This is 2. This is 2s, since 5 into 10, it goes there 2, so it's 2s. Pardon me guys. So we group this x and this one, x plus 5y, and you can get n of these. If you want, you get this or this one, x. So as for now, I'll just get n of these minus 2s. This is our final answer we get. Okay, now let's try to solve any other question from the same past paper. The second problem we have here is simplify. Simplify means make something what? Simple. See the equation we are given: x 3x plus 2 cross minus 2x plus 4. Now, since they're asking us to what? To simplify, what should we do first? We can do this: multiply this x times everything which is inside the bracket. So let's try to multiply this with everything in the bracket and try to multiply this negative with everything in the bracket. Then we see if we can find the answer. So x times 3x, it will give us what? 3x square. Why? Because when you multiply similar letters, they what? They change in powers. When you add the letters, they what? They increase in numbers. So x times 3x, x times 3x, it will give us 3x square plus x times 2x times 2, x times 2, it will give us 2x. Negative times positive 2x, it will give us negative 2x. Negative and positive giving us what? Negative 4. So you group the right term together. As you can see from the equation we have here, 2x and 2x, they are like terms. So what do you do when the like term have negative? Negative means subtraction. When you have 2 positive this side and negative, you subtract. So when you subtract 2 minus 2, when you subtract 2x minus 2x, you are going to get a 0. You're going to get a 0, which is positive 0 minus 4. So these are like terms. What do? 0 minus 4, it will give us a negative 4. This is our final answer. Thank you.